By creating a mywater account, you will be able to manage your water accounts, apply to trade water entitlements and allocations, make online payments, enter meter reads, and more, all from one convenient online portal. Here's how to submit a meter read. If you haven't already set up a mywater account, please watch our previous video linked in the description. From the customer portal, log in using your account details. On the dashboard, you will see the Submit Meter Reading button. If a red flag badge is visible on the button, it means a read is due, but you can actually submit a meter read at any time, whether it's due or not, just to get an updated water account balance. Please read through the disclaimer and then click Accept to continue. From here, you can choose to submit a meter reading from your own meter or someone else's meter reading on their behalf. Select the meter for which you are submitting a meter read. On the right-hand side, under the Actions tab, click Edit and enter the details of the reading. If the number you entered is lower than the previous reading, a red error message will prompt you to double-check your entry. This is simply a way to make sure you've entered the correct number. Double-check that the reading is correct before continuing. If you have a photo of the meter dial, register or totalizer, you can attach it here. Pictures are not a requirement, but often help with the confirmation of the reading. Review the summary of your entry. Click to submit your meter reads. Confirmation of your successful submission will be displayed. And remember, keep your record number as a receipt of your lodgement. If you need to submit another meter read, navigate back to the dashboard and repeat the process again. If you need further help, get in touch with the mywater Contact Centre.